What's up, everybody? Happy Saturday. Yeah, so it's my day off from work, but instead of sitting on the couch, of course, I'm out running side hustles, as I always do. Work 7 days a week, right? Yeah, so I figured I would just hop on, chat with you guys for a minute, and go run to the dump. So I posted a video, I guess yesterday, talking about using my truck for junk removal and all that good stuff. And yeah, we're going to take a load to the dump right now. I got the truck bed full of a bunch of stuff, but it's kind of like what I always talk about. Like, I don't want anything in my life if there's not a way for me to generate some type of income from it, or like that's what I'm always looking for. So like, I have this nice truck that I drive, a Chevy 2500. It's 2021, paid off. It serves its purpose. It's a really nice used vehicle, but I needed a way to generate some money from it. Aside from just like hauling my show trucks and vendor trailer and all that stuff, I knew there was more things that I could do with it. So hauling people's trash away and junk. I live in a neighborhood that is a lot of military members. Husbands are deployed a lot. Wives need things thrown out. Lots of people today's age don't own trucks. Surprisingly, they have a lot of cars and stuff like that. So quick little trip to the dump. It's 5 minutes up the street from me. I have a permit for it because of the neighborhood that I live in and the HOA and everything. So it actually is really good because I go to the dump all the time anyways to like dump cardboard and stuff, because I'm getting so many boxes every week for like apparel stuff and things for my truck and all that. So I'm already making the runs to the dump anyways, or I'm always going to like inventory stuff in my trailer, which is at storage that we're literally passing right now, and it's 2 minutes from the dump. So I already come up here on Saturdays and Sundays. Might as well make the runs on Saturdays and Sundays to the dump. So when I pick up like little things from people, like I have a table in the back from somebody I picked up down the street, I didn't take it like right then and there. I literally just took it, tossed it in my yard real quick, and then piled a couple things up over the week, and then I'm just making one single run to the dump just to save myself time, or I guess route optimization. But yeah, I just wanted to, I guess, vlog a little 5-minute video about side hustles and how important they are, especially in today's age, man. Like, the economy is crazy, inflation is crazy. Getting by in your 9 to 5, like, yeah, you can survive on that barely for a lot of people. I'm fortunate to have a really good job that I can thrive on my 9 to 5 and still save money and have a nice lifestyle. But to get ahead, you really got to do some extra stuff, put in some extra hours. So like, I have the pet waste removal thing that I'm doing, I have the dog boarding stuff that I'm doing, I have my apparel brand that I'm doing. I'm now hauling people's junk away for them. So it's like 7 days a week. If I don't have dog walks one day, like, I'm moving trash that week, or I'm working on stuff for my apparel brand. I'm constantly trying to find a way to generate a couple $100s a day outside of my 9 to 5, and then that way I can just invest all of that money. So I'm going to try and just run it for 10 years. I'm young, I'm 40 years old. I've got plenty of young years ahead of me, hopefully, God willing. But yeah, I figure if you can put in a couple $1,000s a month into the stock market, 10 years from now, you're going to be sitting really good on top of like your IRAs and your 401ks and all that stuff. So I did just drop some videos too, like talking about reallocating all of my accounts. So I reallocated like my main investment accounts, just slightly. I tweaked a little bit of percentages on those, and then I reallocated like 5% here and there for the other main big account that I was showing you guys, like what happens to a $116,000 brokerage account, and like how much money does it earn a year, and interest and dividends and all that stuff like that. So I made that video. We're gonna keep that rolling, and we're gonna try and get that up to like 500 grand. And then yeah, I'm making the video about wanting to go buy a supercar. I love Lamborghinis, I love R8s. I want to buy a used one, an economical like starter supercar. And so that's why I'm making the video series on how to get from $0 to $100,000 strictly from side hustles. So like, this is what I'm doing to pay for that account. Luckily we were able to put like 3 grand in it this month, which is good. We doubled the money, so we're sitting just under $7,000 in that account now, and we're 2 months into it, and we're gonna go buy a really, really cool car with it once we're done. But I reallocated that account completely. Like, I had VOO, I had QQQ, I had SCHD, I had SCHH, SWVXX. I had all kinds of ETFs in there, and I got rid of all of them like 2 days ago. And now we strictly have QQQ and SMH in there. So yeah, we're not gonna be making like the dividends and all of that stuff, but I don't really care because this isn't a long-term account. This is a 2 or 3 year account that we're just trying to grow his money as quickly as we can. So QQQ is going to get us there, and SMH semiconductors are going to get us there quickly. I'm trying to get like 20% or higher returns on that account and see what happens. But yeah, I just wanted to say hi to you guys on Saturday and encourage all of you guys to get out there on the weekends, get out there on your days off, get out there on your evenings off, do some side hustles. There's tons of side hustles out there that you don't have to have specific skill sets for, as long as you have a vehicle and you have that entrepreneur drive and mindset. Get out there, make some extra money, even if it's only $100 or $200 extra a week, and set and forget that money. Put it in the stock market, let it grow. Do that for the next 20 years. Set yourself up for your futures. Your future self will thank you for it. You'll be able to live a really good lifestyle. And yeah, man, like if you guys have some certain side hustles and stuff, let me know down in the comments. Tell me all about it. I love hearing about side hustles. Who knows, maybe it's something that I want to do. If you guys like hearing about my side hustles, I can go into more detail on how I do them. I hope you guys are enjoying the transparency with like finance stuff that I'm putting on here now, because it's a huge part of my life. I love it. I love all the little challenges and all that stuff. I do some crypto stuff now, which we're just starting in, so I'm looking forward to all that. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next finance video, which should be the supercar update, and that'll be coming this coming week. So talking about the 0 to 100,000, and I'll show you guys month 2 where we're at, and the results are good. We've doubled the money, and I will show you guys a full breakdown of that account and what happened with it. See ya.